All right, trying to clean my grill. One side is pretty clean. I've done it mostly by hand, believe it or not. You know, using scouring pad, Scotch Guard, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, let me grab it. And it's just a regular sort of pad like this I was using. And then have the Scrub Daddy thing. So anyway, this side, never really use this side. It's for the briquettes. This is a Lynx, expensive barbecue. And I bought something like this because I was tired of stuff just rotting away. Now, most of the people I watch on YouTube, of course, just like to show themselves and never like to show the process or anything like that. I did notice that a lot of professional barbecuers, companies who come out to clean in like rich areas, Hampton, stuff like that, they'll show you before and afters. It will be like this before and then that after. But I know they're not sitting there as long as I've been doing it. And this side was the searing side. It was used a lot more. It never really caked on. So the way I do things is I try to work smarter, not harder. I have a fan out here. I'll turn that back on. I have my umbrella, have my garbage pail, and then I have this here. So when the water comes out, it just hits right in there. I cannot use a pressure washer, which I have, because I don't want all the stuff going into my outdoor kitchen, and then the water's never going to come out of there. It's going to be a real pain. I'm going to have to use a shop vac, and still, you know, it takes a while for it to dry. So this is my method. So originally I was going to my friend's place, who, of course, I'm in the car industry. I'm like, let me use some wheel acid, because I used to use it years ago in my wheel business, and it works great. So he's like, oh no, don't use that, use this. So this is CCI OGD 50. I'm going to try it out. I have no idea what this stuff is, because guess what? It's not on the internet, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I want to see. Look at that, it kind of looks like Simply Green. Let's see if it actually does something. I also bought one of those drill things, and it sucks. It did nothing. I bought it off of good old Amazon, and it did absolutely nothing with its brushes. So we'll try this, and we'll see what the deal is. Big difference already. Up here, it just comes right off. I'm amazed. I had some real caked on stuff that just came right off. Yeah, this, I still got to work it with the Scrub Daddy. Maybe this caked on stuff here. Let me see. Yeah, I might have to just work it because it's kind of really caked on. One of the things about this, of course, it's when you first spray it, it's definitely hardcore, the smell. But that's easy, that will come right out. I want to get the harder stuff in. The grill's always easy to clean because they're already out rather. You could take them out. But it's like these hard to reach areas that I'm mostly concerned with. Look at that. Alright, gonna work it some more, but very impressed. I actually used a little water here and stuff really just came right off. I bought this thing on Amazon. This thing sucks. I'm returning it. It did absolutely nothing. Anyone who thinks that you're going to be able to do this with some nonsense scrub brush that's like plastic or whatever, which I've already bought, it's just utterly ridiculous. Oh, don't use metal bristles. You got no choice. Okay? The only way you're getting this stuff off is with this. All these cleaners, all the soaking, it really doesn't do enough. What does it is the wire brush. Get your wire brushes, do what you got to do, and get your barbecue clean. Because you know what? All this environmentally friendly, like you think you're going to put lemons on there and stuff like that. Those guys who are showing you that have never used their barbecue, okay? Most people, they don't clean their barbecues maybe once a year, if that. They just don't care. Some people even throw them away after using them for a season or two. And you know what? I really don't blame them.